Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's Tech Force. I am Arun Barua and today we will learn how to insert text in Google document. So let us begin. Actually I am creating this tutorial on request of one of my subscribers. So let us begin. So the workflow will looks like this. We will insert or append some text to a Google document. Okay, basically whatever someone fills in Google Forms, it will ultimately go to a Google Sheet. Okay, then we will extend it to Google Docs. So this is the workflow. It's a simple workflow. We will use Webhook. Then we will get that document and update it. Browser. So at first you need to create this survey form or any Google Forms. Okay, I name it survey forms. There are few fields here. Okay, then here is the response. If any response come, it will be storing in this place. So before we go to the workflow, we need to click on these extensions and click on this app script. Okay, I already completed that part. However, I am showing you the code. This is a very simple JavaScript code on form submit. We are taking a Google Sheet and we are taking the URL of the webhooks. Okay, and whatever fields are there, we are getting it and returning it as application JSON. This is the simple JavaScript we have seen in our previous code also, right? Okay. Then once you write this, I will come back to here again. Let me go to the survey response. You see timestamp, full name, email address, all of these fields actually we are getting it here. Timestamp, full name. So in JavaScript you cannot create variable names like full the name. It will be an error. That is why I used underscore. Okay. So timestamp will come from data of this 0th location. Then from data of 1st location, full name. 2 location, that is email address, like that you will see here. Here data of 1, data of 2 and so on. Okay. Okay, once you do that, you have to deploy it. You have to go to the trigger and create a trigger. It's very simple, right? You just take it on submit, and here you have to take on submit and click on save. I already created this guy. Okay, on submit here, and previously I have tested and these are the things completed. So let us now go to the worksheet. I will create a new worksheet. Now create a new workflow, click on it, click on the webhook, just select this webhook and you will get this thing, right? But you make it post and here you need to rename it. like anything you write, like update, update, say Google doc. Okay, let me copy it from my previous one, because again I don't want to go to that JavaScript. So I will just take this update doc. Okay, now say this is appended here. The same you need to copy. Okay, go back to your survey script. Let's open it again, doesn't matter. Let's open it again here. And in this place you need to paste it like that. Okay guys. So after doing this, we do not need any authentication here. What we do, we will listen to the event, right? But before that, let us enter some queries. This should be, say, I'm quickly filling the form, how satisfied you are from our service. Okay, say 1 to 5, main feature code EDI. This is a survey of code editor, suppose AI code editor. Okay, I'm just quickly filling it. Would you like to recommend others? Yes. Now let us listen to it. Click on it. It is submitted and come here. Yeah. Now, as soon as the form is submitted, the webhook is triggered and whatever data we entered, it came here. Okay? Okay. That is so simple. Next, we need to update the Google Docs. So, Google Docs. Click on this Google Doc and you need to get the Google Doc first. It will be a get operation. Okay. First one is you need to connect with your ID. Okay. Google OAuth. This will be a get operation. Now here we need to add the document ID. How would you find this document ID? That is not. This is the document I have created, and this is the document. When I open it, you will see after this D, copy it up to that slash. This is the ID. Then paste it there. Execute it. So you are getting a blank document, right? Which is very much correct because nothing is here right now. Okay. Then we need to click here, Google Docs. Again select Google Docs. Now here we will update this particular document. Okay, now this will be an update operation. You can create, get, update, custom API call. Okay, we will select this one, and sign is obviously that one. Now this Google Doc ID, since we get it from our previous field, we will simply drag like this. Okay. Now come down here. Okay, so what we do here, document ID we have entered, right? Action, text, it will be an insert option. And what are the things we can insert here? If you see, header, body, footer. Now we are inserting the body. and where at the specific location. Say I want to insert at location 1 always. Okay, now this content will be just drag this content. No, not that content. I want to drag this body. Okay, these are the body contents I want to drag. Okay, let us execute it. Bad request. Why bad request? Let me just get into it. Okay, so what we are doing here, I remember we have to do a little tricks here. We used to give it like this. Say full name colon full name. Okay, let me just see, confirm if it is doing correctly. My new, yeah, definitely it will not. Full name, then email colon full email. Okay, like that. How satisfied, just pull it. Okay, then rate the product, just pull it and place it there. Then features like a delight, that will be just pull it. What is that? Okay, let me drag it first. Yeah, what can we improve? What can be improved? Okay, then would you recommend to others? Would recommend. Okay, that should work. Let's see, execute it right now. Yeah, it has. Now see, but you see there is some problem here, right? Let us redo again. Execute this step. Yeah, it came, right? Next, execute this step. There is a problem. See, since I have selected index 1 to be inserted, and you see here it should have a blank like this, right? So let us modify the code. We will redo again. Probably what I will do here, no, let me just come here. Within double curly bracket and single quote, we write \n, and the same you insert at last. Okay, then this will work now. Click. Okay, let us see. Data came. Click again. Data is inserting, right? Now let us do one thing. Let us make it active. Go to the questionnaire. This is Mino I selected, right? Let me select another, this time Sino x.com, satisfied, say 2. She didn't write anything, suppose, no problem. Recommend also no. This form is submitted. Okay, then if you see analytics, it will come after a while. Oh, I forgot to execute it. I'm sorry, I have to do it again. Okay, let me quickly do sino assetx.com, not satisfied, say 1, NA, and no. Form is submitted. Now waiting for the trigger. Let's see. Yeah, it's triggered. See. Now go to the sheet and see. Yeah, sign. This record is updated. Now let us try another one. Let me make sure that I make this one execute and it should wait. John Doe, say satisfied, 5, recommend for others, yes. This will execute after some time. Yeah, it is executed, and you see the responses John Doe came. So this document is getting inserted. I hope, my friend, your query is solved with this example. Okay, so in this example here, I just took the object as text. Now say there are many other things. Table, column, row, header, footer. You can try how this work. Okay, it may not work directly as I did here. In that case, you need to use a HTTP request which a batch update option. Okay, so this is it. This is the video I have prepared for you, and keep on watching this. Okay, so please join the Arun's inner circle. Go to the description, click on the Google form and fill it up. You will get all the source code as well as any text, PDF, including my books, all available in my Google Drive. I have shared that particular folder, so you will get all the workflow sessions what I upload. Okay, so please like, share, subscribe, and please hit that bell icon. Okay guys, so see you tomorrow. Have a good day.